Dear students, we will see some phrases usage in simple English. Make out, that means make it out, my dear friend. You can use make it out. Get off from this situation. Please get away from this situation. That's the meaning. Turn down, please put it down. Turn down, please put it down. Bring down, my dear friend. Please bring the item down. From the top, you bring it down. Come over here, weekend, my dear friend, weekend, you come to our place. Break out, break out. You are breaking the jar out. That way you can use. Go over the situation and watch the cricket. You go and see the cricket like that. Turn over the page in the book, you find a new thing. That means we are turning the pages. Go through this situation or go through this book like that we can use. Hold on, my dear, whatever you say, please hold on. Keep it up. That is the meaning of it. Pick out, my dear friend, from this package, pick out anything you want. You can use that fee. Sit back, my dear friend. See, when you are watching this, sit back, straight you sit and watch. That means sit back in the sense that watch the situation with care. So this way, these phrases you can use in simple English spoken sentences so that your language will be more attractive while talking to others. Have a great day.